No, let him wait, Oga. Please, why did you do this to me, Yimubiri? Please. I don't want them. I know you are saying you are sorry, but I know you. Did I do anything to offend you?
No.
Why would you molest a 7-year-old? I'm saying almost 7+. You are telling me pay is the devil. Fine.
You should not talk about devil now. Only thing they are living now.
But after everything I did for you, why?
You tried.
But why? But I want to understand. I took out my time, registered you in the school. The only thing I didn't even do was allow you to stay in my house. And that was because my marriage just broke up and I didn't want people to. So what did I do to deserve this?
Oh, deserve it. If I'm lying, look, deserve it. But me, more God, she me carry Jim. Mo bebe. To ba ko na bebe gbe mi lo, e je ki ko pa mi ejo.
No, you have not even answered my question. Why molest a 7-year-old? Is sexual molestation, is it right?
You just tell me I don't understand your valid one.
I understand him now. What show us on English?
No, the thing is that he molested her when she was 7. And then he came now that she's 14.
So do it again. Okay, why do it again now? Why do it again now? Okay, tell us, why do it again now?
I won't say not do it.
No, but why do it again now? I'm going to come. Why do it again now? Why do it again now?
Speak English. Don't bring my bag. I'm very sorry.
Why do it again now?
I'm very sorry.
Maybe we should just hand him over to.
They are coming. They are already on their way.
Because you are not talking to me.
Zoto said, if any police will come here, we should call them for Zoto. Let them. Once he's registered.
Where is he going? Ma, leave it. Ma, no, don't bother. Sit down back. Ma, bother. I'm talking to you as a friend because I know that you had issues. And that issue, I went all out. I'm asking you, why harass a child at 7 years old and come back and harass her at 14? You are not giving me any cogent reason. You are saying it's them. But Muti, you didn't drink. I want to forgive you, but I just want to understand.
You know that I know him. That's why he's telling me.
Which you know, this one, I'm begging you.
Why? I don't understand. If truly you prayed about it, you harassed her at 7. Why come back to harass her at 14?
You know what devil? I'm not called devil, brother. What I done is bad. No doubt about that. It's very bad to molest her. It's very bad, I know. But please, I'm pleading.
Okay.
To your Lord, Princess, you did not deserve it. Record it, you did not deserve it. Because you tried.
Okay, what was
even when I was coming, that's what I was telling you. I said, you cannot call me. Even once, I will answer 3. Because you tried for me. Hey, Joe, just help me.
Okay, what was your aim now? What was your aim? To just destroy our life? Or
there is no aim. When there is problem, this spiritual problem,
you have spiritual problem.
You can't, she knows.
That you have,
know what
she knows you have spiritual problem.
She even gave me a number. Someone to go, I mean, 1 or 2 people.
I gave you a pastor's number when you have problem with your marriage. Did I know that you can molest a 7-year-old or harass a 7-year-old? But you are not making me understand. If you are saying the devil, that was some years ago. You repeated it again. Does it mean you have done it to other people?
I know.
So you are saying if I ask around, Nobody will say.
See, it's because
That means if you were to be in my shoe, my stepchildren for not this thing say for your hand.
No.
I married a woman that lost her husband 7 years ago.
That is true.
And
Truth.
let me tell you, the daughter is just a little bit bigger than this. So you mean if you were to be in that shoe, you would spare that little girl?
He's telling the fact.
You know what she calls me?
Daddy. He's not the father.
She did not joke with me.
He's
Are old enough to be her father.
Do you understand? We
Why
sleep
do
together in the same bed.
Ah,
It's like my blood. As in, don't like it is my blood. You see the mother. If I call her any see. No,
His intention. His intention.
that's what I'm saying. It's
My wife
intentional.
left me. My wife left me
Lanre,
at the point of
intentional.
nowhere.
If it's not intentional,
My
if
wife
it's not
left me three
intentional,
children.
Three good children.
Three
come
children.
back.
Boys.
if it's not intentional, why harass a child at 7, then come back years later? No, why do that?
Do you know what you did?
It's intentional.
Once you enter, you attacked her.
Yes,
That's what it is.
immediately.
Yes.
You didn't waste time.
Yes, you didn't
You
waste
went
time.
to search the room if there's anybody.
Yes.
No, I did not.
What did you do?
You search the whole room.
Say no.
Let me pray for you.
Make sure you.
No, I'm
No.
Princess, wait. Princess, please wait.
Leave her. Let her express herself. Leave her. It's painful. If she don't express herself, you can intro her like that.
Leave her.
Leave her. Let her express herself. No.
Leave her alone. Let her do
Let her express herself. This can intro her. I know the pain of it. See, you know what I'm going through? My wife left me with 3 boys. After much beg, she come to my family to tell them that was a ritualist. That's why she left me. Now she's coming back to beg after I married another person.
I've been working with you for how long? Don't play, no.
Do you understand? This is what I do.
You search the whole house. Immediately I step out.
We were watching you.
If
You lie again.
Why are you lying?
If I come to my door, if I come to my door, this guy don't go stop.
What did you now do? Leave him.
I said, no, I'm not.
What did you
Because
do?
what I did is bad. As I just said, I said, this place is small than the place you go there. So Moania, how many rooms? And I now open this place. And I said, 3 rooms. I said, this place is small.
Where did you
And I said,
open? Wait. Where did you open?
We're here.
That's all.
That's
That's all.
No.
Where
I
again?
open here.
That's all.
I enter here.
You see your house.
Bushman, when you are
I don't
all
think
thoughts,
it's
now.
But I was not around.
You see your house.
No.
Was the owner around?
But
No.
close.
So what?
You have never been here before.
That's why you molest her daughter.
No.
That's what you're
Now-
telling me. That you feel free.
To pay her back with that.
I did bad. Anywhere, I did bad. I don't need to hide my feelings or anything. I'm not lying, please.
But I'm saying why harass her again? That's why I say
In the space
it
of
twice.
7 years, not-
That's why we are asking.
That's the thing.
Ayele, Ejo,
Ayele, only for your side, Ayele.
please.
After
I'm just-
7 years,
I'm
you
just-
came back
I'm
again.
just-
Because this will
Want to boxing contest now.
They are wasting time.
They are
Man,
So I should leave you with them.
touching, no touching.
I know
Leave
this
you
guy.
with
I
them.
know you.
Oh, bros, I know I'm not small touching now.
No. Party
If they face one of us idea, they'll tell us that if you
No, Party will do all those ones. You big man.
Ọ̀rọ̀ tí Ọlọ́run.